to my Shopify Starter Plan tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify the right way. I'm going to show you how to add your own products on Shopify. As you can see that I have an access to Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get a 30 days free trial on Shopify. So what you can do here on Shopify, now let me show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. Just go here to this products, under product section. You can able to add your own products. Not only that, you can also import existing products if you already have a product. But now let me show you how to add your own product on Shopify. Click here on the add button. When you click here, it's gonna take you to this page. You can able to write the product title that you are selling. Put any product title here, guys. What you can do after that, you can also go to description. Under description, you can write the product description. But also, you can also use this AI tool from Shopify, which can write any product description for you automatically. Just click here to generate text. Okay, after you click generate text, what's gonna happen now? You have to put some keywords that this AI tool is gonna write content about the product that you are selling. For me, it's gonna be t-shirt for men. You can also do, guys, caps, like anything or whatever product that you want to sell. Just put some keywords here. Click generate text. What's gonna happen now is, you can see this AI tool is done writing the product description for me automatically. You can also rewrite it again if you don't like this content. I'm just gonna keep it. After that, you have to go to media. Under media on Shopify, it allows me to upload in images of the product that I can use. You're gonna select them on your laptop. After that, you're gonna go to category. Under category on Shopify, you can choose which category the product that you are selling is fall under, which category. Choose the category that you want. And then when you're done doing that, you have to go to pricing below under category. You will see pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price of the product that you are selling, how much your customers they are willing to buy that product from you. Put the price here, guys. Then per cost per item, meaning that how much it is costing you to purchase this product from your supplier, maybe from AliExpress on Zendrop. Put that price here. It's going to be showing you the profit that you'll be earning and also the margin that you'll be making, guys. Okay, take a look at this one. It is amazing. Shopify is going to give you all of the data, how much you'll be making, also the profit, the margins, all of those things. When you're done, this is how, guys, you get able to add your own product on Shopify. When you're done doing that, you can save the button. It's going to be saved. It's going to be saved. And then you can also go to collections. Under collections on Shopify, you can see multiple products that you've added in a Shopify store. But for me, it's only one, And then what you can do, you can also go to customers. Under customers on Shopify, it allows you to see the people who purchased from you, or people who subscribe in email newsletters. And not only that, you can also import existing products on Shopify. So you can also import existing customers on Shopify to upload them here. Let's go to analytics. Analytics on Shopify, it's gonna show you the report on how your store it is performing. Like the total sales that you got today, the total sales that you got yesterday. You can do some customization, or maybe the last 30 days, all of the total sales that you made. You can see here on Shopify. You can also check the online store conversion rate, the percentage, how your store is performing. You can also check the top selling products here on Shopify. If you have multiple products here, you can also check the sales attribution to marketing. It's going to show you all of the data that you need on Shopify, okay? You can also go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, you can also do email marketing, email follow-ups, on customers who didn't purchase from you, who go through the checkout but they never purchased. You can send those email follow-ups, guys. It's going to make you a lot of orders, guys, if you do this strategy. Don't skip this strategy. It's important to do email marketing on Shopify. You can also offer discounts, especially on holidays. It's going to help you a lot, especially on Black Fridays. It's going to help you a lot to get more orders on Shopify. You can also go to themes. Under themes on Shopify, you can able to check all of these done for you themes on Shopify, that you can just use them straight away into your own store. You can add them here if you like these themes, but I highly recommend just go to Fiverr, on freelancer.com, hire any Shopify, any freelancer to design a theme for you, to design a store for you, to design a store for you automatically. You can pay them $15, because this one I don't recommend that you can use this one, guys. Okay, just go to Fiverr, hire people from India, pay them $5, to help you to design with the Shopify store, guys. Okay, it is so simple, guys. Okay, it is so simple. I'm just gonna tell you can take a look at these stores. These are from Shopify. You can change the logos here. You can change the prices here. Put the logos in your own. Put the domain in your own, guys. Okay, that is my Shopify starter plan, guys. Okay, do not forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started for free using Shopify, because Shopify, they offers 30 days free trial, guys. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started with Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and God bless you. Good luck. Sharp.